Ryan made it up that little rush there. Little tiny rapids. Rapidos. Rapacitos. Right? Muy bueno. All right, Ryan. I said all right.
Oh, thanks. That was a bit of a challenge.
Yeah, these aren't exactly designed for that, that kind of maneuvering. I need to fill up my water bottle. Well, it looks like the water or the river gets pretty calm up here again.
Yeah.
That's the furthest I've been, was that spot right there. So I was in a inflatable when I came up here the last time, and I couldn't get up and over those little rapids there.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Of course, I didn't really know what I was doing at the time either, so. Right, I have extra water here if you need some. I have 4 bottles in a little cooler in the car for us on the way back if we need it. It's the curse of being a father. You're over prepared.
Never be too prepared.